Graham White air dryer removal. Begin by disconnecting the green air delivery line at the bottom of the air dryer assembly and the green air supply line at the top of the air dryer assembly as shown here. Next, disconnect the 4-pin weather pack connector for the heater timer harness. Note: some cable ties may need to be cut to allow the harness to be disconnected. The air dryer assembly is held in place by a mounted bracket attached to the bus frame. On the sides of the bracket there are 2 fasteners on each side attaching the air dryer to the bracket. First, remove the rearward fasteners from both sides. Loosen the fasteners toward the front on both sides, but do not remove them to prevent the air dryer assembly from falling. Lift up and forward to remove the air dryer assembly from the mounting bracket as seen here. Lastly, remove the complete Graham White mounting bracket from the bus frame. Clean off any excess rust or debris from the frame, as this area will be used to mount the GeminiMDx air dryer. Unpack HALDEX components. Unpack each component in your kit and ensure there are no missing or damaged components. Next, temporarily remove the mounting bracket from the air dryer assembly. You will require the air dryer mounting bracket, concept mounting bracket, and one of the purge tanks to locate and drill mounting holes in the following steps.